When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make the bee's knees cocktails. Made with gin, lemon juice, and honey syrup, this drink will have you buzzing with delight. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making a very old cocktail, and you know how we like these old classic drinks here at LCTV. We're making something called the bee's knees. So let's get started. Now, as I said, this is a very old cocktail. It was first invented in the 20s, in the Prohibition era, and it was actually invented in France at a restaurant. But it's a gin-based cocktail. And in those days, gin wasn't very good, it was very rough, so they had to add a lot of flavorings to make it smoother. And of course, with today's cocktails, we don't need that, but it's still a delicious drink. We're going to start with gin. 2 ounces or 60 mils. I'm using Tanqueray 10 today. This is my favorite. You can use your favorite. 2 ounces, 60 mils. Right in our glass of ice. Next, some nice fresh lemon. We need 3/4 of an ounce or about 22 mils. And yes, use fresh. It will make a huge, huge difference. Squeeze that in. That's about good. Right in. Now here's the twist. Today we're using honey syrup. This golden elixir is honey syrup, and it's made just like simple syrup. You take equal amounts of honey and water, you heat it very gently just to dissolve the honey in water, and you get this beautiful, beautiful liquid. This will keep in your fridge for a good month. Same amount. 22 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. All right, now it's time for the Shakey Shakey. Before I do that, if you're getting value out of this episode, and why wouldn't you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button and that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every week. Time for the Shakey. Ooh, fun. Now I have a nice chilled martini glass. Let's discard this. And we are going to strain this right in here. Look at that. Like grown-up lemonade. We're going to garnish this with a little twist of lemon rind. Just like that. Now here's the favorite time. A little taste. That is delicious. It's very bright. It's lemony, and then that honey comes in. It sweetens it just enough, but it's not like a sugar sweet. It's more complex than that. And of course, gin is my favorite. It's a nice, clean, botanical flavor. It all comes together. This is perfect on a nice warm day, or heck, any old day. All right, guys, as always, we'll see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for Basic Skills or Cocktail Fridays, and every other Sunday for our live streams. So I'm going to go devour this. While I do, I want you to watch some of these videos over here. Till next time, everyone, cheers.